Who wants a stylus? You have to get them and put them away and you lose them. Yuck.
What's up guys, it's me Jamie, and today I'll be giving you my thoughts on whether the Apple Pencil is worth it. The Apple Pencil is a great tool for navigating around the iPad as it adds precision to your interactions. With the new Scribble feature on iOS 14, you can write with the Apple Pencil rather than typing. It recognizes text really well and is really natural and convenient. Another really useful feature I noticed was using the highlight in the Books app, as I don't have to press highlight every time I highlight something. This is a real game changer for me of my note taking of non-fiction books. It also adds precision to browsing web pages, as I don't misclick stuff. The Apple Pencil is great for note-taking and has been a game changer in my move to paperless study. It is so convenient just to carry my iPad around with me rather than lugging around my big laptop and lots of folders of past papers to libraries. The pencil itself is responsive and precise for note-taking. For someone like me with very small handwriting, it is a bit hard to write with, and I noticed my already bad handwriting becoming illegible due to the lack of resistance. But with practice, my handwriting has improved. Overall, writing should be fine for most writers with the Apple Pencil, and I am sure something like that paper-like screen protectors will add friction and will be useful to me. Let's compare the Apple Pencil's writing experience on the iPad to writing on paper. Personally, I prefer the writing experience on paper, as it feels far more tactile and it has far more friction, so my handwriting is far neater. However, the portability and ease of use of the Apple Pencil is also a great proposition in some instances. I love being able to annotate my notes in OneNote and collaborate with the Apple Pencil rather than using a keyboard. It literally and figuratively removes friction from my workflow and allows me to stay organized. This was pretty evident through my science notes, as I can write on them without having to print them off. I can also annotate my past papers without having to print. This is great for the environment, as I have saved hundreds of sheets of paper. I can also better organize my papers into various notebooks instead of losing my papers. For viewers who are in university or take notes in class, I love the impermanence of the Apple Pencil, allowing you to write messy notes in the lecture and then moving elements around and rewriting stuff and adding diagrams and images afterwards for study notes. This also makes it a lot easier to share and collaborate with your friends. It is such a magical experience using the Apple Pencil, as it connects instantly and turns on instantly. The Apple Pencil is also a great accessory for artists. It is precise and responsive with tilt and pressure sensitivity. It has a lot of great tech inside of it, making it feel magical to use. It's smooth to use, with me noticing no latency whatsoever. I can see that it's very capable despite not being an artist. With various pro apps such as Photoshop coming to the iPad, the Apple Pencil is becoming more and more of a useful tool to digital artists. Battery life on the Apple Pencil is decent. I can get about 8 hours of continuous note-taking. However, the charging experience of the Apple Pencil is a flawed design and cumbersome, as I have to plug into the lightning port of the iPad. Why Apple? Not only that, but when I charge, I have to take off the cap to plug it into the lightning port, and I risk losing it. You can also charge it with a lightning cable for a lightning to lightning adapter included in the box. There's also an extra tip in the box. However, quick charging is a real lifesaver when I need to quickly use the Apple Pencil in a rush for writing notes. 30 seconds of charging delivers 30 minutes of use and fully charges in 10 minutes. To mitigate these design flaws, you can always buy a case with an Apple Pencil holder not to misplace it and its cap. Speaking of design, it looks nice, but it's not the best designed. It's smooth, so it feels oily and greasy in my hands, and it's also round, so it has rolled off the table a couple of times. Also, where do I put the pencil when I am done? Without proper storage, I would be anxious to carry around with me, as I have a tendency to lose pens, and $100 is very expensive for a pen. However, with the purchase of a case on AliExpress, these issues have been solved through adding a slot to store the Apple Pencil, cap, and even adapter while not in use, or adding protection and the built-in stand for typing with a Bluetooth keyboard. Coming in at $100, it is definitely very pricey for what it is, but the value it provides definitely outweighs the cost, enabling you to digitize more of your work and go paperless in some cases. In conclusion, the Apple Pencil is a great accessory for both artists and students and provides a lot of value, but for just a general everyday user who does not do note-taking or art, it is not worth it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.